Attention valid customers and supporters of Woodman. I am here today as a representative of Woodman, the trusted name in car Android stereo systems, to address a concerning issue that has come to our attention. It has come to our notice that some individuals are selling fake Woodman products under our name. We want to assure you that Woodman products can only be purchased from 3 authorized channels, or official website, woodman.com, as well as our bicycle stores located in Delhi's Kamlanagar and Bangalore's Koramangala. At these 3 trusted places, you can confidently purchase authentic Woodman products, knowing that you are receiving the genuine quality and performance that we pride ourselves on. We have worked diligently to build a strong reputation over the years, and we are committed to upholding the trust our customers have placed in us. Don't be fooled by fake sellers with fake configurations. We urge you to be cautious and make your purchase only from the mentioned authentic channels. For more details, please contact our dedicated WhatsApp support. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for continuing to choose Woodman.